IVM.
Hey guys, welcome to the Positively Unlimited podcast. Today's episode is about H for Home Alone. This lockdown has led to a lot of us being away from family, a lot of us who anyway lived in cities away from family. It has led that set of us to not be able to go home to family, and it has also left a lot of us going through this crazy time on our own. For those who have been living with family and have either a flatmate, a roommate, the parents, the siblings, a partner, kids, there's some form of human connection that continues through this lockdown. But for those who have been living alone, well, their usual companion, which was the house help, even that human connect has not been available to them. Now, although that is going to change very soon, with things going to ease down, rules going to shift, some form of human connect is going to, start again. We're all going to slowly and steadily inch out of our homes. At some point in the next few weeks or maybe a month or so, it is going to happen. But today this episode is not about feeling bad for ourselves or suddenly saying, wow, look what we have to go through. It is directed to those who have been through this entire episode alone at home. And it is to bring you into a state of awareness, to ask yourself, to understand, to realize, to register many, many different things about your own self. So I know that in one of the episodes earlier on, and even in videos that I did on my IGTV, I spoke about how if you are home alone, make sure that you are using technology, make sure that you are video calling friends, make sure you are reaching out and staying connected at all times. Today's episode is not about how to make home alone a better state or how to, live through it in a better way. Today's episode is about understanding, realizing, registering all the things that you have learned about yourself in these last 2 months. So here are a bunch of questions that I'd like you to answer for yourself. What has this experience been like for you? Now here's the trick and here's the key, and I've said this in many episodes of mine. If you've been listening in, whenever there's a writing exercise or an exercise to answer a question, I always put down the rule saying respond in a single sentence. So, what has this experience of being at home alone for 2 months been like for you? Question number 2. What is the one new thing you have realized about yourself? Something that you didn't know you were capable of, or something that you didn't realize was a pattern of yours, or that you even thought or felt that way in general. Something that came up to the fore. What is that one new thing you have learned about yourself? Question number 3. What insight have you gained about all your relationships? Whether that is family, whether that is friends, or whether that is that partner with whom your relationship was pushed into a long distance kind of a flow. What have you learned about your relationships? The next question. What have you learned about who you are in each of these relationships that I'm going to call out? What have you realized about who you are in each of these relationships that I'm going to call out? In the equation between you and your mom, you and your dad, you and your sibling or siblings, you and your 3 closest friends, you and your partner, you and your boss, you and your 3 colleagues, the ones that you are most connected with and work with most regularly. If you lead a team, then also you and your team. So you may want to put this podcast episode on pause, or you may want to rewind and listen to that list again. But in single sentences, respond with who you are in these equations? What is the role that you play? Now, if you're wondering why I'm making you answer all these questions, well, it is because these 2 months have been, days, weeks, and hours of learning, at least for me. And I've realized that there is so much of opportunity buried under every obstacle that we have experienced and faced. But a lot of us don't know how to spot the opportunity. A lot of us live the opportunity and we don't even realize that we have. So now that we are stepping out of this lockdown, slowly and steadily, but yes, we are. What are the lessons? What are the skills? What are the tools? What is the change within us that we are taking with us as we step out of our homes? Now, while I address this particular episode to those who have been living home alone, even for those who have lived with their families through this lockdown or had company through this lockdown, you can choose to answer these questions. See where it gets you. See what it tells you about you. And maybe in the days and months to come, you can figure out what you need to shift, what you need to work on, who you need to evolve into. But my questions are not done. So here's another one. How good are you at communicating? Now remember, communicating does not mean just speaking. It also means listening. Listening appropriately, not listening to respond. So how good are you at communicating? What is the one thing you've realized about yourself and how you communicate in different equations and different relationships? What is the one thing that you are 100% sure of changing as soon as this lockdown opens? And this change is about you. It could be something in your immediate surroundings. It could be about something that you will allow or not allow henceforth. So today I'm leaving you with a bunch of introspective questions. And I hope that it gets you to a space of clarity, to a space of, understanding your own self a lot more. What you also want to do after you listen to this episode is listen to the episodes on self-love. I think it's called Loving Yourself. You want to listen to the episodes about drawing boundaries. You want to listen to the episodes about making a choice, in which I talk about how to say no and also saying yes. These are different episodes that can help you, along with this particular one, to put into action all your learnings. So on that note, I'm sending you tight hugs and a lot of love for another week through this lockdown. I'm hoping that when this episode releases, we will also get news of a lot of stuff changing in the rules of this lockdown. So with that hope, with that little sense of curiosity and joy, I'm signing off today. Remember that you can listen to all previous episodes on the IVM app and the IVM website. So do log in, do tune in, and if you have any questions or any experiences to share with me, make sure you DM me on Instagram. My handle is PositivityAngel.
I hope you enjoyed that show. We'd like to thank our sponsors this week, Paytm Money. While we're still going through lockdown, let me recommend a few quick shows for you to listen to. Check out Uncle Please Sit with Joel and Tushar. Really enjoy that show. They unpack some of the greater issues that we're facing, and I think you'll enjoy that. Also, do check out The Traveling Professor. That's a fun show that I think you're really going to enjoy as well. Fulia Bazi is a great show. It's a Hindi show about policy and things like that. They had a great episode last week. A close friend of mine from college, Joy Paul, was the guest. They talk about different social networks being used for different things. Very cool show. And lastly, let me tell you about Simplified. Simplified did a live episode last week, and we're making the first part of that available on their feed right now. So do definitely check that out. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Thanks, and please do keep listening.
Entertainment is like food for the brain. It's a window to culture and a great way to understand the world around us. The internet has changed what it means to be an entertainer, creating new storytellers with millions of fans. It has spawned a new breed, the story sellers, those behind the scenes creating the business for this ecosystem. They work with brands, platforms and channels who are keen to capitalize on an audience hungrier than ever for more stories. I'm Vineet Kanabar, and I have a ringside view to how stories are told and sold. On my show, I bring you creators, artists, executives and marketers for a freewheeling conversation around the business of entertainment. Tune in to Storytellers and Storysellers for personal stories, analysis and criticism every Thursdays as I talk to the brightest minds telling or selling great stories today.